Hello, this is Professor James Mah from the University of Nevada in Las Vegas, where I serve as the Director of the Graduate Orthodontic Program. I wish to welcome you to the Center for Advanced Professional Practice's 15th CAD/CAM and Digital Dentistry Conference. I've been involved with the research and clinical utilization of digital aligners for over 20 years. I invite you to join me in my presentation to hear about the latest state-of-the-art concepts of modern aligner therapy. In brief, today's aligner systems are not what they were even 5 years ago. Much innovation and clinical experience has led to a much more efficient and predictable system. In my presentation, I plan to focus on key aspects of aligner advancement, including design, use of attachments, materials, digital workflow, and staging. I'm sure that at the end of the presentation, you'll be able to take home valuable information that you'll be able to implement into your practices. I look forward to meeting all of you.